Driving at night, blinding oncoming light, glare so severe, you strain, you struggle, but you just can't see. Not anymore. Introducing HD Vision Visor, the only night vision car visor that instantly reduces harsh glare while brightening your view.
I don't even feel like I'm squinting. I mean, I feel like my whole body is relaxed, which is really great.
Let me tell you, with this HD Vision lens, I can see so much better.
With just a flip of your finger, your vision at night dramatically improves and goes from ordinary to extraordinary with glare-reducing clarity and contrast you can only get from a high-definition lens.
I flew in the Air Force, and this night visor is very similar to the ones we wore on our helmet, and it makes a huge difference when driving at night.
I had LASIK surgery recently. This thing has really been a game changer for me.
Now I can go out at night because I can see.
I feel like I'm driving during the daytime. This is great. I love it. I won't leave home without it.
And for that bright, blinding sunlight, you also get our world-famous HD Vision Day Lens.
It's like having two pairs of sunglasses in one.
It's so clear.
Even my $100 pair of sunglasses doesn't cut the glare as good as this.
I can finally see it clearly. Hallelujah, this is great.
HD Visor is always there.
Now it's about time someone came up with a real solution.
I'm keeping this.
Turn your vision into high definition